The Sony Alpha 7 IV, or A7 IV, represents the next evolutionary step in Sony's acclaimed line of full-frame mirrorless cameras. Announced in late 2021 as the successor to the much-loved A7 III, this camera quickly established itself as a hybrid powerhouse, catering equally to the needs of still photographers and videographers. Positioned between the high-resolution A7R series and the video-centric A7S series, the A7 IV strikes an ideal balance, making it a top choice for professionals, passionate enthusiasts, and content creators demanding flexibility and performance. At the heart of the A7 IV is its newly developed 33-megapixel X-MOR-R back-illuminated CMOS sensor. This marks a significant leap from its predecessor's 24 megapixels, offering more detail for cropping and large-format printing without sacrificing low-light capabilities. Paired with the powerful Bione Z XR processor, borrowed from Sony's flagship models, this sensor delivers excellent dynamic range, accurate color reproduction, and impressive noise control, even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera's native ISO range extends from 100 to 51,200, expandable up to 204,800 for stills, allowing users to shoot confidently in a variety of environments. Autofocus is another standout feature, with a class-leading 759-point hybrid system covering nearly the entire frame. Real-time tracking and IAF for humans, animals, and birds ensure sharp focus, whether you're capturing portraits, wildlife, or fast-moving action. The autofocus system leverages artificial intelligence for precise subject detection and tracking, making the A7 IV exceptionally reliable for both stills and video. Video capabilities are equally robust. The camera records 4K video at up to 60 frames per second in 10-bit 422 color, leveraging advanced codecs like XAVC, HS, and SI for maximum flexibility in post-production. Oversampling from a 7K sensor readout at 4K 30p means footage is detailed and crisp. Features like S-Cinetone, S-Log3, and Hybrid Log Gamma provide cinematic color profiles and wide dynamic range, empowering creators to achieve their desired look. Thanks to Sony's clever thermal design, the A7 IV can handle extended recording sessions without overheating, a crucial consideration for filmmakers and streamers. Ergonomically, the A7 IV offers several improvements over previous models. The body is constructed from lightweight yet durable magnesium alloy and features enhanced weather sealing for shooting in unpredictable conditions. The grip is deeper and more comfortable, making long sessions less fatiguing. Its fully articulating 3-inch touchscreen LCD is perfect for vlogging, self-shooting, or composing at awkward angles, while the high-resolution 3.68 million dot electronic viewfinder delivers a lifelike preview of your scene. On the practical side, the A7 IV is equipped with dual card slots, one supporting CF Express Type A for ultra-fast data rates, and the other for standard SD cards, ensuring reliability and flexibility during critical shoots. A high-capacity NP-SZ100 battery provides ample shooting time, and the camera supports USB-C charging and power delivery for added convenience. Connectivity is comprehensive, with ports for headphones, microphones, and HDMI, as well as advanced wireless options for remote control, image transfer, and live streaming. Sony has also modernized the user experience, introducing a refined, touch-enabled menu system that is intuitive and highly customizable. Multiple custom buttons and dials allow users to tailor the camera's interface to their specific workflow, whether shooting landscapes, portraits, events, or cinematic video. In real-world use, the A7 IV shines as a versatile tool, excelling in genres from landscape and portraiture to wildlife, sports, and documentary filmmaking. Its combination of high-resolution stills, advanced autofocus, professional-grade video, and thoughtful design choices make it a future-proof investment, especially for those already invested in Sony's extensive E-mount lens ecosystem. In summary, the Sony Alpha 7 IV offers a compelling blend of innovation, performance, and usability. While it commands a premium over its predecessor, the advancements in image quality, autofocus, video features, and user interface more than justify the investment for most creators. For anyone seeking a truly do-it-all full-frame camera in 2025, the A7 IV stands out as a rock-solid all-rounder, ready to meet the demands of today's hybrid creators.